we got here is a tube cutting jig. It's made by Sequence Manufacturing, and I got it from Ticon. Basically what it is a jig to be able to cut tubes 2 inch, 2.5, and 3 inch, tight radius and loose radius. So we're gonna actually cut some 3 inch, so we'll set it for 3 inch. And really all it does is this will go in a bandsaw and it'll keep it nice and tight. That way you can be able to cut where you need to. The one thing I do like about this is you can cut it anywhere on the bend and it'll give you a nice clean cut on the bend rather than kind of guessing. And sometimes, you know, if you do it by hand, you cut it here and it might end up, you know, over here, so it's not exactly on the bend. So